Hello everyone. Welcome to S Square HR. Today I've come with a new topic that is the Factories Act 1948. Here I'm going to cover different sections which are important under the Factories Act and which is important for the factories. So let us have a look at it. As I said, I'm going to cover the important sections which are involved under the Factory Act. Before we go on to different sections, let us understand what is the objective of the Factories Act. The main objective of this act is to ensure safety measures to the workers, to promote health and welfare of the workers who are employed in the factories. So mainly it is 3 points. One is the safety, second is the health, and third is the welfare. So these are the three important factors which is objective of the Factories Act. And as we all know, now the Factory Act is extended to the whole of India, including the Jammu and Kashmir. Next important which we should know about is what is the general duties of the Factories Act. The first important duty of a Factory Act is to maintenance of the plant and work in the factory. First is the maintenance activities. Second is the arrangement in the factory to ensure the safety aspects because it's involved in the safety, health, and welfare of the employees. Third is to provide instructions. That means every employer has to go through and follow the instruction as set by the government or as set by the Factory Act. The third is the maintenance of all the places of the work which is involved in the factory, and it has to be in a proper condition. That is the in terms of the lighting facility, okay, the space. There are so many methods involved under this. So we'll cover one by one. The last one is the maintenance and monitoring of the working environment in the factory. So these are the main general duties of the Factory Act. So we understood the objective. Secondly, we understood is the general duties. Now, when I'm going to cover the different sections which are involved under the Factory Act, I'm going to cover section 16 today or 18 I'm going to cover today. Then I'll be covering section 45, 46, 48, 49. I'll be covering different aspects and I'm going to take you through the main important facts which are involved under the sections, different sections. The first, today, as I said, I'll be covering section 18. This is about the drinking water. Let us go through. There are main 4 to 5 points only involved in the drinking water under section 18. So what is that? We can just take a look at it. The first important point is in every factory, it is very important that we have to provide a suitable point that there is sufficient supply of wholesome drinking water. That means mainly it is the factory section 18 comes under where if there are more than 250 workers are employed under the Factory Act, they are involved under the Factory Act, and if there are more than 250 employees, then section 18 comes into place. Second is, first we provide a local place for drinking water. Second is we have to provide legibly marked drinking water place where it has to be in their language which is understood by the majority of the workers. It can be Marathi, Hindi, or your language which is according to your state. Main important thing is people should be able to read that. Next important is wherever you are having your drinking facility, it should be within 6 meters away, okay, of any of the washing place or the rest house, or that means mainly it should not be against the contaminated zone. Okay, it should be far away from the contaminated zone. But if you do not have a place for a drinking water facility, then you have to take an permission in writing by the chief inspector if it is less than 6 meters. Is an important aspect. If every factory, as I told you, if there are 250 or more workers, then you have to follow the norms which is under section 18. And you have to provide cool drinking water, especially during the hot weather. And all these points are a part of an audit. When you have your factory audit or when you have a factory inspector visiting your factory, then the following points are checked. So this is coming under section 18. As I told you, I'm going to cover different sections 45, 46, 48, 49, mainly 48 is on creche facility. So what is the Factory Act covered under the creche facility? What are the important points involved that I'm going to cover? So if you want to learn more from me and you want to be a part of this series of Factory Act inspection or the Factory Acts, then click on the link below or hit on the subscribe button, and there you're going to get more notifications and you're going to come up and get updated yourself with the more of the different sections involved under the Factory Act. Thank you for watching this video, and you can be a part of my LinkedIn, Instagram, and my closed Facebook group, which is only for the HR community, where I keep uploading different aspects on different topics onto HR and the statutory compliances and the Factory Act. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.